So whenever an action is initiated, the parties cannot have any type of communication with the judge unless both parties are present, or for example, if it's a letter that you're sending to the judge, you have to CC or provide a copy to the other party. Now, so if you want to ask something to the judge, the way that it's done legally is through a motion. Motion or a request, but typically it's called a motion. There's a lot of different motions that are practiced, depending on the area. Most commonly, motions for extension of time. For example, like if you have to file a response to a complaint, you could file a request for, or a motion for extension of time if you needed that time. So generally speaking, once again, it's if you need to ask something to the judge, either do it through motion or do it through some sort of request. Motions are what's typically used. Another method would be to ask the judge for a court or a case management conference. Now that's typically done with civil and family cases, do case management conferences, and it's when both parties go before the judge and the judge kind of reviews what's going on with the case. That's a perfect opportunity for you to ask for whatever it is that you're seeking if it's not something that's typically done with a motion. So for example, if you're waiting for a trial date and it's taking forever and you've already submitted a request for trial, you can set the case on status or for a case management conference and then ask the judge when you get in front of the judge for that, hey, can we get a trial date, or when's the next available date? Or even if there's a different procedure, you can actually ask the judge, hey, is there a separate procedure that I have to do? I already filed a notice of trial. So these are just basic ways of communicating with the court or with the judge. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to communicate with them because that would be considered ex-parte communication, and that is viewed as unethical. So if you have any questions on either motion practice or any type of law, please let us know. We're here to help and we're here to answer your questions. Have an awesome day.